Hello, my dearies. This is Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards. I'm coming back on tonight to share some birthday presents that I got with some birthday money that was gifted to me in January. And I got some stamps, and I actually bought a paper pad, which I haven't done in a long time. It was on sale. And this is a card. I just shared a video a few minutes ago with a ton of cards that I made. This is one of them and probably my favorite. And I just wanted to let you know that that has already uploaded. If you haven't seen it, you can go take a look. But I'm really just coming on to share some birthday gifts that I got and some new stamps that I had ordered from a designer that Anna told me about. Alesa Baker Designs, and Alesa is a stamp designer for Impression Obsession. So I went shopping and looked at all of her stamps. She has an incredible stamp line with them, and she is a new designer to me, but I fell in love with some cards that Anna had made, and I had to order some stamps. And hi, Lilibeth. I know that Lilibeth just made some cards and had ordered some stamps also. So go ahead and take a look at Lilibeth's Instagram, because she has posted some pretty cards too. But anyway, hi, Anna. So I wanted to show you the paper that I got. You guys have probably all seen this. I'm not a big shopper, as you know, but this was a birthday present, and it's called Gingham Gardens, which you know me and Gingham. And this is by My Mind's Eye. And I usually only, in the past when I've gotten paper at Tuesday morning, I'll sometimes buy a pack of the bigger sheets if it's a print that I really think I'll use, and I can make envelopes and all sorts of things with it. But most of the time I mainly buy little 6x6 pads at Tuesday morning, and I really don't buy paper, very, very rarely any other time. So this was there. I had to go use a gift card, and this is what I got. So it is the prettiest papers. I thought I would just do really quick a flip through so that you can see them all. There's this beautiful rose paper, a rose floral, this really nice kind of biscuit colored stripe, and I love anything that looks like it's sort of like a linen stripe. This nice plaid in this light blue color. I love this blue. This really pretty kind of like a floral frond. See the little tiny flowers. So that's a good basic for backgrounds. This one is says home and flowers and grateful, and just a text page. A light blue gingham, which is beautiful. This really pretty smaller sized floral, which I just love this. I love these corally colors. I think that'll be really fun to play around with. I got to see if I have a cardstock that'll go well with that. Or I can just use watercolor or cream cardstock. And then there's this nice kind of reddish colored plaid. This beautiful floral with this kind of biscuit colored background. And I love this crafty biscuity color. It's a favorite of mine. Here's one that just has a really nice simple pattern of like little crosses. Here is a beautiful gingham that's on the diagonal. I love diagonal gingham. It's my favorite. And just another really simple pattern, a background pattern. This one is a little floral pattern. I'll pull it up so you can see it a little closer. They're little tiny rosebuds or rose bouquets. Here's a beautiful, beautiful background paper with roses and leaves. This is just gorgeous. I love that. And then it starts over again. So we're back to the beginning. But anyway, I just fell in love with these papers, and I splurged and got paper with my birthday money. So did I skip that one? Did I show you that one? I think we might have skipped that one, or maybe I already used the first page, because I have used a couple sheets already. But anyway, so that is this paper pad. And now we'll move on to the stamps. So, like I said, I got stamps. I went and looked at Alesa Baker's, this is her name, her line at Impression Obsession. And I picked out some stamps for my birthday. And this is the first one that it's called, let's see, this is the stamp number, E8189. And let's see, does it have a name on it? No, it just goes by the number, but this is a coffee cup and it has some little violets and the little heart, kind of like marshmallows floating in it. So I thought that was really cute. And you know, I love anything to do with coffee. That was our business for many years. This one is G9188. So there's the number. And I just love this angel. And I thought this was really sweet. I love angels anyway, so anything that's an angel. So there's those two. And then I got two, let's see. I got two others that are angels. I got this one here. And I just love anything that's prim or folk art type things. So I thought this was really pretty. Here's the number on that one, F9884. Just a really sweet image. And I think Anna did a card with this one also. I think you did, Anna. I'm not positive. But I'll show you in a minute why I went to get the stamps in the first place. But then I saw this one, and I love overalls, and I just thought this was adorable. So this is a little angel wearing overalls, and she's a gardening angel, and she's carrying a little basket with flowers. And her little pocket there has flowers and a handkerchief, and then her little shoes have flowers too. So, and there's some really neat examples on the website of this colored in. So I got that one. And then I saw this one, and I thought this was just a really fun image for birthdays and just for summertime, just to say hello to somebody in the summertime and send them an ice cream with flowers on it. So I thought that one was adorable. And then this is what started the whole thing off, is this, Anna had made a card that she sent me. Oh, and I should have gotten the card. What did I do with it? I think it's upstairs on my kitchen windowsill right now, so I can't. Oh, no, I did bring it down. Never mind. Here. I brought it down so I could show you guys. So Anna sent me this beautiful card as a happy belated birthday. And that is honestly what started my odyssey, is I wanted to find this particular stamp. And so I did finally find it. And this is, it's a cling stamp set. And there's the number for this one, 3029-LG Gardening. Okay, and again, this is still Alesa Baker Designs. And so I love that it has a shovel in it with some greenery and floral on it, the little gloves with the florals, and then this really cute watering can with the bunny, which would be cute for Easter. So, or any time, but especially you could use it for Easter, I thought. So this is the card that started me on this odyssey to go find the stamp, and then I ended up finding a bunch of other stamps. So this was kind of a birthday present to myself. And then I got a few, you know how much I love wood stamps. I love rubber stamps, but I especially love wood stamps. So I also ordered some stamps. Some of the images that I liked, I ordered as wood stamps, and this is one of them. This one is called Nested Planter, and this is the number E8223, and again, it's Alesa Baker. Hello, Alesa. I love your stamps. So I thought this was just really sweet for spring, as spring is coming. The little eggs nested in the little planter, so just really cute. So that's a wood stamp, and these come wrapped. When you receive them, they're all wrapped in foam and protected. So let me see if I can get this next one open. Here we go. This one I wish this one came in a big size with the scarf on it. It comes in a bigger size without the scarf, but I just love the detail of the little scarf with the button. So this is, to kind of give you an idea, there's my thumb. You can see the size of it. But I thought these would be really cute stamped out, and then just to make a small Christmas tag. So just a really cute stamp. This one is D6886 Gingerbread Man Border is the name of it. So she does have a bigger stamp that is without the scarf, but I just love it with the scarf. So I got the little one, and I like making little tags too, so that'll be fun. So that's just adorable. I love that. I don't want to damage my card here. And I have 3 more to show you, so let's open them up. Okay, this one I thought was just the cutest bunny I've ever seen. It's a little sock bunny. And I ordered this in a wood stamp. There's also a stamp set that has a big sock bunny and a little sock bunny, and I wanted that one too. But I was on a budget. I knew how much I could spend, and so I didn't get the clear one. But it's a clear stamp set with several different images in it and some sentiments. But I decided to go with this woodblock bunny just because it's so darn cute. And I wanted it as a woodblock stamp. So this one is F20824, and it's called Sweet Sock Bunny. And I hope you guys can see those okay, because this will help you if you want to go and purchase a specific stamp. It helps to have the information. Okay, so there's the sock bunny. And then the next one is a little cup, and this one has a napkin inside and a nest also, and it's a little set of teacups. I thought this was adorable. So this one is called Nested Cups, and it's D8224, and just a beautiful stamp. So, and I just thought these two were so pretty. I love, you know, I'm a gardener and I love birds. My mother-in-law, Prilla, hello Prilla, she is a bird watcher, and I've gotten very into that with her. I like all the birds that they have where she lives, and I always get to see them when I'm over there, and I enjoy that. And so I just really liked both of these. So anyway, those two. And then I have one last stamp to share, and this one is a little snowman, and he is so cute. Look at him. I love his scarf and hat. So he is called Snow Baby 1, and it's C8291. And I thought this was the perfect size to create some simple little Christmas tags with. So I will be making some tags with this. Like I said, I am going to be trying to do some Christmas stuff throughout the year. I do have a little bit of more time to create in the evenings right now. Things are settling down a bit, and I've been trying to eat, watch TV, and create versus snacking. So I try really hard to end my eating window anywhere after 3 p.m., between 3 and 6, but I'm trying to aim more towards 3 because it makes a big difference in your weight. And so anyway, I'm working on that, you guys. Say some prayers for me. But this is all of my beautiful stamps, and I am looking forward to playing with them. I would love to know which stamp is your favorite. Do you have a favorite out of all the ones that I showed you? The wood stamps, and then these ones, of course, are rubber, cling rubber. Here's the back of this angel, because I don't think I showed you the actual back sides of these. Let me do that, because sometimes it's nice to see both sides. And rubber stamps, the detail on rubber stamps is so pretty. They look beautiful just embossed in like gold, or, you know, a simple emboss image on a nice background. So here's the back of this angel one. I don't know how well you guys can see it through the plastic, but there's that one. And then the other one that I got was this one here, and there's the back. So that is all of the stamps, you guys. Thank you for taking a look at my birthday presents, and I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing all the pretty stamps, and along with that beautiful My Mind's Eye Gingham Gardens paper pad. I'll be back with you again soon, and I hope you're all having a wonderful week. Choose joy, blessings, and hugs. All right, bye now.